Hi and welcome to this episode about Simutrans. Today we take a look on the underground station and learn how to build them. Welcome to my town, and here is the situation. This town prefers to grow westward, toward the mail station. So this mail station will soon be inside the town, which the mail station don't are created for. Because they will start building a road around this station and connect the station from an angle we don't have expected. And this choice sign will simply stop working and the traffic will no longer go out through this crossing and thereby deadlock can occur. There is two ways to solve this problem. The most obvious is to simply move the station further out or build it underground. If we move it, the problem can arise again. If we choose to place the station underground, that raises another problem. If a station are placed underground, they soon or later will be a part of the local mail delivery. If that station are congested, that station will no longer pick up mail in the town. It will still take mail coming from the trucks, but no mail around the station itself will be picked up. So there is good thing and bad thing with both solutions. If we move the station, we can run in the problem that we need to move it again. If we place the station underground, we need to have enough storage capacity to be sure that the station don't become crowded. There is, however, one benefit of not having a station crowded. We don't get so many error message about crowded station. So I have now decided to place this station underground. But let us now take a look how it is in the neighboring town. This town have already built a new underground national station, but here in Hepton, the town will start growing more when we have a more efficient mail system. So this station are also in risk of being run over by the town. But it is not as critical as in my town. So they need a new station here too. Alright, how to build this thing now? We start above ground, because this will be a station which are part of the local system too, because the station should be overrun by the town, but have all sensitive part underground. So they need to handle passenger too, even if it is primarily a station for mail. We start by placing passenger, and we take the biggest passenger station we have available, this type, and we place it here. And there they have built a station, and that is not a suitable name. And this time I simply write the name of the station mail in it with capital letters, so it's easy to identify a national station. Now we have some calculation to do. The underground facility will be placed here. They need a crossing, a choice sign, a no entering sign, an underground crossing, and a way out. So they need to have placement of the tunnel entering here. But to be sure, maybe. No, we save space. There. And now take up the slicing tool. If we hover around inside here, the mountain, we can see where the station is. So one step out, go down till we hit the station, down there, crossing. And I think we let them doing a circular motion in this case. And they enter there. No entering sign and no entering sign. So they guaranteedly go in the right direction. Mail are a form of cargo, so they can handle mail through an underground freight yard. And the choice sign, which this time was built in the wrong direction, so click it one more time and you get it in the right direction. Piece of road here, and now we go above ground. Or let us first let them build this and see that everything are all right underground. All right, everything are right underground. So now truck coming in this way, enter one of these two and drive out this way. And the crossing are underground, so there will be no deadlock here. And a road down that way. Now can I drive in to the station? But there is one very important thing with this station. If you take it up, look here. Station status is yellow. That is because it's simply a new station. There is no cargo, no mail, no passenger, no line, no vehicle entering. That is because it's yellow. Here, passenger, cargo, trucks and buses. But there is no mail service in this station. That is because we don't build any mail station. Because mail station of this type, which we have there, for example, can in this version of Simutrans don't be built underground. I can say in some version, at least in the older version, you can build mail station underground. And that feature maybe come back in the future. But at the moment, I cannot build this above mail station underground. I think that is a limitation because freight yard actually work quite poorly underground. So this station now need mail service. But there is a mail office building. Two sizes at the moment, a smaller one and a bigger. And there is a lot of mail coming through this town. So this town need a big national mail station. We also have a problem. They have already built a house there. But we build 4 mail stations around. And now we have mail capacity. If you don't have mail capacity and start moving the line, they will drop the mail they have because they cannot transporting mail to a station. We don't have mail capacity. So if you miss out on this point, the mail will be dropped in the station and on the track because there is no way to transporting the mail. So if that happened, you are probably doing something wrong when you created the station. We should now let them build this station. So before you start to moving any line, verify that you actually have mail service in your new station. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. In the next episode, we take a look on how to move the line from the old station to the new one without causing mail drop. Thank you for your time.